dear beloved, Carlos and Diane, you have come together into the house of the church so that in the presence of the church minister and the community, your intention to enter into marriage may be strengthened by the Lord with a sacred seal. Carlos, do you take Diane to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Diane, do you take Carlos to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
So brothers and sisters, as we gather for this celebration, we pray that God may be blessings upon Carlos and Diana. And I just want to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez.